Hey guys, I'm Morthadon, and we are back for Reincarnated as a Slime Season 2, Episode 20. Oh boy. We are into the battle portion of the show. I don't know if we're going to be jumping between that and Walpurgis, or if Walpurgis, I mean, I'm sure we might at some point, but I don't know if we're seeing it this episode. We kind of have the stage set for a lot of fights, which I hope are going to be pretty cool. We have, like, the Harley Quinn people versus Phobio and Geld. There we go. I think the cat lady part of the Beastketeers were heading... She was heading to the Millam's two guys, right? I think? We never got a full confirmation. And then we have Albus going up against the one finger guy with the ice sword. So a lot of interesting matchups, and we saw Benimaru being like a very good tactician with his new ability and everything, and that was pretty sweet. And we saw Rim getting fitted for his new outfit, so I'm excited. There's gonna be a little bit of humming in the background, guys. I apologize. My water heater's running. Every now and then this happens in my videos, so don't think it's like you or anything. It should stop within like 10 minutes or so. So yeah, guys, let's get started, shall we? Alright, we're going to start here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Right into the opening, eh? Alright. Do 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 do. Man, I might not be able to record too much tonight just because of how hot it is out. It was like in the 90s today, which I live on the east coast of the US, so for me, like, peak summer heats is really hot for me. It's not something I'm regularly comfortable with. So I have my air conditioner off because otherwise you'll hear a really loud humming with that shit running. And tomorrow it's supposed to hit like 100, which is pretty juicy. So it's even though it's nighttime right now, it hasn't cooled down too much. Hopefully it doesn't heat up too much while sitting here watching these, though. Alright. So this guy's pretty tough. Interesting. As weird as he is, she's getting beat up. Damn. Jeez. Interesting. Damn. Oh. Really? Is he? Well, Gabiru seems to be doing decent for now, although that one guy doesn't seem worried at all. Hmm. Okay. Nice. Lie there and take a moment to reflect. The way he says that, Gaduru. Middray. I guess I should remember his name. Even though he's weird, but he's strong. And I keep forgetting her name, Sufia. Hmm. Really? Interesting. Hmm. Interesting, so some of them can. But is he? Hmm. Okay. Oh my god! I looked away for half a second. Alright. When this guy isn't randomly overheating, he's pretty cool. I see. Well, I still don't know why we spent so much time on him. I feel like I could have had the same kind of development through this right here. Oh, that was a nice cut. But I see a little bit more of a reason why we spent so much time on him, right? In one of those previous episodes. Oh shit! Make a double of himself? Hmm. Doppelganger. Alright. Jeez. Okay. Just calling down a... Oh, shit! That looks badass. Everyone back up! Jeez. Oh my god, there's more of them now? Jeez. Oh my god, they just vaporized into dust. Jesus. Well. Goddamn. Oh, okay. Well, some of them turned to goo. And some turned to... What? Okay. Oh shit. His item broke. What? Oh, that was her? Okay. I was like, what did that? Jesus. Well, she definitely wins. The mask is all burned off. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Marionette magic taking over now. What is that? Where did it come from? Make him eat it? Oh, the puppet strings. Ugh. Why do you have to do it that way? I guess to force him to swallow it, maybe. Ugh! Oh no. It reminds me of the knockers from To Your Eternity. Oh god. Wait, it's Charybdis. Or whatever, right? Or... Yeah, what the hell? I guess that was its, like, core or something that it made him swallow? Well, shit. It didn't look as big as it was last time. Maybe it's not fully formed. Oh, no. Oh, he can sense it. Dismount. Oh my god. Alright. Their eyes are glowing. Okay, it's not the real one. Okay, only a fragment. That's good. I mean, it took in a bunch of bodies. So, if it can pull in the dead, it's just gonna go stronger and stronger on a battlefield. What's with the dismount? Wow. Jeez. Well, yep, he's dead then. Alright. Team up. It's funny how quickly the tables turned from them being on Clayman's army to stopping the thing that Clayman released. I'm all on board, though. I can respect strong characters even if they're weird, and at least he's as strong as he made himself out to be in the previous episodes. Benimaru! Oh shit! He just came in like a badass. Oh my god. He just cut a big chunk off it. Nice. Damn. What a badass. Be gone. Holy shit. I wonder what Middray is gonna think of that. Holy shit, it's just gone! That's ridiculous. Alright. He achieved the unachievable without breaking a sweat. What a line. Like how Gabaru answered mid-sentence. She was like, explain what's going on, and in the middle of that he was just like, yeah. Oh shit. Well. Nice. Nice. Wow, so he was able to tell. How much oh shit. How much greater disaster. He's still confident even after seeing what Benimaru did. I'm curious which one's stronger. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, damn it, I wanted to see him fight. Oh, we're back to this. These guys. Damn, so Phobio's on his last leg. Alright, we actually gonna see them fight. She's got punches. And dodgies. Damn. Honestly, this is kind of how I expected it to go against Phobio. Oh my god. That's a Choji or Chocho move right there. What? Oh shit, his shield. No, Guild! Jeez. Well. They're so theatrical. And they're gone. Wow. Alright. Guess it makes sense that not every battle ends up in a win, right? Alright. Nice. Sending communications. How naive. Okay. Nice. Like how taking a defeat didn't hinder him too much. Didn't get him too down, you know? Alright. Out your time, baby. Alright. I really like this outro song. The opening is good, but I think I like the outro song a little bit more. I really like this part. This part too. I might have to find out find the full version of the song and add it to my music playlist. It's pretty legit. Alright. That is it, guys, for episode 20. So, we wrapped up the, well, seemingly for now, we've wrapped up the war part, right? I think. I mean, I guess there still could be, like, some more stuff that comes and interferes or something, you know? But, what is his name? Yamza or whatever has been defeated. He turned into the Charybdis thing, which was crazy. Clayman took control. I think, wasn't there something back when Charybdis was defeated that Clayman was able to get, like, a part of it, like, because I know Rim got something from it too, and had something stored within him, but I felt like there was also something that Clayman got from Charybdis, and I want to say it was, like, its core or something, but I can't remember what, like, I think it was, like, the Demon Lord Seed or something is what Rim got, and maybe Clayman got the core. Either way, maybe I'm wrong about that, but I thought that sounded familiar when I, like, thought about it like that, you know? But either way, he had that little orb which, like, shoved it in his mouth, took control of his arm, shoved it in his mouth, and made him, you know, turn into this Charybdis, which, even someone as strong as Middray was built up to be was like, well, we'll stall it till it dies, you know? So that's really interesting. And then Benimaru came in and just annihilated it, you know? So that's a good show of strength, and then they built up the idea of seeing Benimaru fight Middray, which are two characters that throughout the episode were built up, you know, and then they didn't go through with it. I guess a fight against an opponent that strong, like Benimaru said, he'd have to fight with the intention to kill, and they don't want to, like, kill one of Milim's men, kind of thing, you know? So it makes sense why they didn't fight, you know, but, whew, I can't wait to see Benimaru, like, go all out, because it didn't even seem like he went all out to kill that Charybdis, so that's crazy. And they were, like, comparing his power to that of a demon lord, and he's just, like, freaking, I don't know what rank you would consider him, like, as in Rimuru like, army kind of thing. Like, obviously he's kind of like the military leader kind of thing, but I don't know, like, what if he's not a demon lord. I guess he's just a really powerful Majin, is, I guess, probably just the term they'd use. But I don't know, like, if there's, like, a higher term, like, if there's something in between demon lord and Majin, or if, you know, I don't know. But either way, yeah, he's not even a demon lord, yet they compare his power level to that of a demon lord, which makes me wonder how strong Rim is now. Because Rim has always been, like, stronger than Benimaru, I'm pretty sure. Kind of like that thing where, like, you know, as Rim gets stronger, they get stronger, so they're always, like, a little bit below Rim in terms of power, I feel like, you know? Maybe I'm wrong about that, but yeah, I'm still curious to see. We haven't really got to see Rim fight with his new abilities yet, of this all, like, having all this enhanced, whatchamacallit. Like, ever since he became a demon lord, you know, everything seemed to power up, yet he hasn't fought yet, so that'd be cool. I wonder if we're gonna get to see that this season, or if we're only gonna get to see Walpurgis and not to get to see him fight, or maybe some shit will happen at Walpurgis, you know, that will lead to Rim fighting. I'm not sure. Or maybe showing a show of strength in some way. I don't know. But I wonder if next episode is actually Walpurgis or what, but I'm excited for it. We got to find out who, like, what Middray is, like, not quite just a human, because they were saying, like, how are you so strong for just a human, you know? So he is part human, part dragon, due to a, like, a covenant with a dragon, I believe he said. So I wonder how that worked, like, I guess does that, like, since he works under Milim, is it kind of like how Benimaru was an ogre and was given his name by Rim, which then made him look more human-like, you know? So were they humans somehow, like, given names in a way from Milim? but monsters are the only ones that are supposed to evolve like that. So I guess there's something different. It isn't the same thing between Milim and Middray as it is Rimuru and Benimaru. Because I don't think humans are supposed to be able to evolve like that, but whatever that covenant thing he mentioned is, was enough to make him, like, you know, freaking, like, half dragon. And he said they can't take... Okay, that's a little confusing, though. Maybe they weren't humans first. Because he said that we can't go back to our original... Like, most of us can't go back to our original forms, is what he said. So... Crap. I want to go back and look at what he said, because I'm a little bit confused by that. Where did we see that? We have the surrender, the Charybdis, and then we jump to here. I'm not even breathing hard yet. And then they sense the Charybdis, so I think it was before this then. We are dragon newts like Gabaru. Gabaru's like, what? The difference is that we did not evolve from lizardmen. Okay. We are... so he said, we are born of the union between dragon and human. Okay, so I think the word covenant I got wrong there. I don't think that's what he actually said. It's this. We are born of the union between dragon and human. So I don't know what that means. Like, sometimes union can be used for, like, you know, banging, you know? Like, did a dragon bang a human and give birth to these? I don't know. What else does he say? But in essence, we are the same. However, there are very few among us who can revert to our original forms. Yeah, that's what I was remembering reading. None of my subordinates are capable of assuming the form of a dragon. Alright, so it seems like their original form was that of a dragon, but they can't take that form anymore. So whatever, I guess we just don't know yet. I don't know if we're ever gonna learn, but we don't know what that union between a human and a dragon was, you know? That caused them, and he said the born, so interesting. So they didn't evolve, they weren't lizardmen that got a name and evolved into dragon newts. They were just born this way. But I guess born could be used in a way that doesn't necessarily mean, like, given birth. Like, you could be reborn and kind of stuff, you know? I don't know. Interesting, though. But, yeah, I'm intrigued by that. I wonder if we're ever going to learn more. I don't know. But for now, we only have speculation there. But it was cool. Like, a lot of the fights were cool. We had Yamza, who pulled out his, like... His trump card was to just duplicate himself. And then freaking Albus comes in with her trump card and just, like, lightning strikes from the sky and she just becomes this, like, armored badass, like, snake woman thing. And she just, like, went ham on him and her men and just, like, annihilated them. So that was cool to see her power. Granted, obviously... As soon as you see Benimaru come in, like, it makes her just seem, you know, super weak. But even though she's very strong, it's just, when all of a sudden someone like that walks in, it's just like, damn, you know, this is power. And I thought before I was looking at power, but yeah, no, that was cool. And how shocked she was, like, she's like this very confident person in her fight against Yamza, and then Benimaru comes in, and then she's just like, you know, in awe the whole time. But yeah, that was really cool. The Phobio fight, honestly, even with Geld showing up, I was a little worried for that one, and it seems my worry was correct. They They seem like they're different, right? Like Lapras is a part of their Harley Quinn alliance, working with what was his name, Yukio, or Yuki. I'm not sure if it has an O at the end. Anyway, but I'm not sure. Like, it doesn't feel like they're completely loyal to Clayman. I'm not. Maybe they are. Maybe I'm wrong. But if, like, for me, it feels like they just have, like, ulterior motives, especially because they have, like, their own name for their group, and I think that might be the big thing that makes me feel a little bit more of their independence, you know, is the fact that they're, what are they considered? The something Harley Quinn Alliance or something like that. So, like, just the fact of that makes it feel like, you know, they're not part of Clayman's forces, they're a part of this that are working with Clayman's forces kind of thing. Kind of like how, Middray is working with Clayman's forces, but he's really, you know, under Milim and everything. So I wonder if maybe it's tied to the idea that, like, someone suggested the idea that Clayman might be being manipulated. And what if the Harley Quinn Alliance are the ones, like, overseeing that for whoever they truly work for, you know, or something. I don't know. Just random speculation, but I've never felt like they were just 100% Clayman goons, you know? But we'll see, I guess. And so, like, whenever I see them, I kind of expect them, except for Lapras. Lapras is kind of, like, goofy. He's always good at getting away, so I don't know what his strength is like. He might be extremely powerful, but considering we haven't even ever seen anyone land a finger on the other two, I feel like they're stronger. And as we saw here, you know, we didn't even get to see Phobio getting beat up, and then we saw what happened to Geld, and then they just, like, instantly vanished. And it's interesting that they said that they weren't supposed to kill them here, so that's why they just left. But why weren't they supposed to kill them? Like, isn't that the whole point of Clayman's, like, group going to war kind of thing? Like Yamza didn't seem like he had any problem with killing Albus if he, you know, was strong enough, but he said, like, I will kill you or whatever. So it didn't seem like he had an order to hold back, which, once again, furthers my suspicion that makes me think that they're working for someone else who said, okay, work for Clayman, but don't actually kill any of Rimmeru's forces or something, you know? I don't know. Interesting, though, but I'm sure we'll learn more about that eventually. I'm sure whenever we see the end of Clayman, I'm sure, like, he'll be like, help me, like, I can't remember her name, but, like, the pink-haired one that seems to spend a lot of time with Clayman, and she'll just be like, nah, you're just a chump, a tool being used, bye, and just vanish or something, you know? I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, great episode, guys. I'm really looking forward to whatever's next. I kind of had an idea of what was happening this time, but next time I'm not so sure, so... it's either Walpurgis or more of this war, or I don't know. It seems like the war is, like, pretty wrapped up. They're all, like, kind of chilling and healing, unless there's just more enemies somewhere that I'm forgetting. But yeah, good episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's gonna be it from me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed. Check out my Patreon if you want to see more. This was originally a Patreon exclusive. If you're not watching this there on there already. So that means you can watch the rest of the season on my Patreon right now. Check the link in the description if you're interested in that and supporting the channel and what I do here. I very much appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my future reactions. Bye-bye.